If we are not able to solve this question, I will arrange a tutor also.
Okay.
We are meeting first time, so I would like to know more about you. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. As you know, my name is Govind and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I'm a student. I'm doing my graduation. And if we talk about
Hmm.
my hobby, so my hobby is reading book. You can see this is my short intro. Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. So what is the special reason to joining this platform, Skype?
yeah. Like all persons, I'm also want to improve my English. So that's why I'm
Hmm.
here. Yeah,
You want to improve your speaking skills. That's why you joined
yeah,
this platform. Okay. So there is a role play and there are two characters. Today we will, play a role play. One is
okay,
mother's character and second is son's character. Son is in the seventh standard and he is not focusing on her studies. Okay. He is not able to make a
okay,
balance in between studies and their games. So the whole conversation is based on this role play. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So are you comfortable for this role play?
Yes, I'm comfortable in this role play. I give my all with the best.
Hmm. Govind, I'm noticing that you have not been so much focusing on your studies. And recently, I got your unit test marks. Your teacher has sent me on WhatsApp. Your
Yeah,
mathematical portion and your science portion is not, so much strong.
yes, like my test is not good, but I will do my preparation in nowadays in test, upcoming test.
Yeah, I know, my boy, you are very hardworking. But nowadays I am just noticing that after coming back to school, you just start the TV and you are watching cartoons, and after that you are watching mobiles also. Do
Yeah,
you think
no,
this is right thing?
just
Do you think this is the right action?
no, I don't watch too much. Just I watch an hour. So I think it is not good.
I can understand after coming back to school, you are feeling tiring. I can understand. But you should make a balance in between your studies and your games. Am I right?
Yes, mom, you're right. But just I watch only an hour, so I think it is not bad
No,
because everyone watch.
nowadays you are spending 5 or 6 hours. You are just taking your, lunch and sorry, your food, and after that you are just lying on the couch and you are watching the TV.
Yeah, but I love to watch movie. That's why sometime I watch. Otherwise, I will study.
And you had already participated in Olympiad, English Olympiad and Maths Olympiad. So what about those
Yes,
Olympiads? Are you preparing? Because you have
yes, I'm
worksheets also,
preparing.
but you are not solving. But you are not solving.
Yeah, I will solve that worksheet in the evening. Just I watch a movie and then I will solve it.
I have checked your workbooks. You are not solving. Every page is blank, totally blank. You have not filled any entry.
Yeah, I will solve it after watching this
Hmm.
movie because this is my favorite movie and I can't
Hmm.
skip it.
Actually, I checked your workbook, and you have not solved any question. Are you serious for your studies? Because I think you should
Yes,
make a
mom.
balance in your studies and your games. I can understand, this time you are feeling very tired, but after watching TV half an hour or 1 hour, you should focus on your mathematics and science because these unit test marks are not good.
Yeah, Maths Olympiad is very tough, mom. So just I want to join any institute if you so you can
Hmm.
join me.
First, like you in mathematics and science, if you are facing any problem, so I can help you.
Yeah, of course. Please, I want your help.
Okay. When you will come back school, then yeah, yes, you can watch your cartoons and video games also. But after that, we will solve your word problems in mathematics, and we will study science also half an hour. Can we do it?
Okay. But yeah, mom, I can solve like word question, but I want to solve calculation question where I am facing lots of problems. Can you help me?
Don't worry. I'm very good in mathematics and science. I can teach you very well.
Okay. Before you was good in mathematics, yeah, I know, but I want to some specific
And if I
coachings if
feel
you.
like yes, yes, if I feel that I'm not able to, I'm not able to solve these questions, so I will arrange a coaching also. But first, you should focus on your studies. You should make a balance.
Okay, okay, I will make balance. Just I I will do everything because before in my
Mhm.
earlier exam was not good, but I will
It's not
give
a
my best.
my son. My son is not a big problem. If we are not able to solve this question, I will arrange a tutor also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And if I talk about like your Olympiads, previous year you won a medal in English Olympiad. But now is in this year you are not focusing on your English grammar. Do you think if you are not doing practice, you can achieve your medal this year? Do you think?
Yes, but I'm doing practice, ma'am. When
No, you are
after
not doing. But I think after this conversation, you can understand what your mothers want. Your mother only want that you should make a balance in your studies
yeah,
and in your games. Okay. And today you should maintain a timetable.
yes. I
Yes.
should maintain my all routines, all subjects.
Mm. Yes. If you are maintaining your timetable, after that you will get some hours for your games, video games, and you can do net surfing also
Yes.
because
So I will do,
right now
but
you yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Go ahead.
you know, just
Mm-hmm.
came to home. So I was worn out. So that's why I watched sometime. Otherwise, I did not
I
watch.
have no complaint. I'm not saying that you should never watch TV and video games. You should watch, but you should make some, rules for your life. You should make a
Uh,
timetable. You should, make a balance.
yeah. So like you said, like discipline. So I do everything on time.
Mm, yes. So today we will create a timetable for your studies and your games.
Okay.
Okay?
So will you help me?
Yeah, I will help you. I'm always with you, my son.
Okay.
Okay, so this was a role play in between mother and
Yeah.
son. So, what do you think about role play? Do you think role play are really very helpful for improving English?
Yeah. Why not, ma'am? Like these kind of activities like role play. Role play is very like we do as a like
Hmm.
when in our real life also these things we says our moms or our relatives. So
Do
I
you
think it is
feel this is
very
a real
important.
life conversation? Do you also feel this is a real life situation?
Yeah, but my father always asked some question like this. You are not studying. Sometime,
Mm-hmm.
but mother not say anytime. But my father always asked.
It doesn't matter who is asking. Sometimes father can ask, sometimes mother can ask. So we can adjust
Yeah,
our role play. Like mother also can ask questions to their children. Yes.
yeah. Yeah.
So how
So
long have
uh,
you? Mhm. Yes. Yes, go ahead. You were saying
yes,
something.
I'm saying that my father was very
Mm-hmm.
serious to my studies. He always wants to me to go study well.
Mm. Do you think sometimes you are feeling okay? It's a real life conversation. We always face in
Yeah,
our
I
real life
felt
these kind of conversations.
yes, ma'am. Why not? I'm like in a middle this conversation. I felt this is real. We are talking. I'm talking my mom.
What you learned from this conversation today?
Yeah,
What
I
did you learn?
learned it. Like we should like should on time everything because everything is like good if we do on time or we don't watch
Mm.
too much movies like that because it is
Mm.
good if you are doing in a time in a limit.
Mm. Mm. You should watch. You can watch TV serials. You can watch movies. You can do some video games also. But yes, you should maintain a timetable.
Yes,
If you are spending like 5 or 6 hours, it's not good for your studies.
yes, yes.
Yes. So tell me, how long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, I have been learning this language around 6 or 7 months. And
6 or 7 months.
still,
Mhm. Yes. So did you
still I'm
find?
learning.
Okay, I'm also learning just like you. Did you find any improvement in your skills, English speaking skills?
Yeah, like when in my premier time, I was unable to speak like us, not single
Mm-hmm.
sentence can we can say, but I was
Mm-hmm.
unable. But now I found that I am able to express my thoughts in
Mm-hmm.
English. Yeah, but nowadays in this level,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not in like I feel I'm not improving because 1 to 6 months I know I improved a lot, but now I think I'm not improving. Why I don't know, but
No.
just
Uh-huh. You
I'm
should
doing
never think that
everything.
you are not improving. You should never think that you are not improving. If you are consistent and if you are doing this practice on regular basis, gradually you will learn. And if I talk
Yes,
about like role play, and it was a random role play, so you were not prepared. Okay,
yeah,
that's why you are thinking, okay, I'm not improving. No, it was a random conversation. So if I am also getting this kind of conversation, I can also stuck. Okay,
yeah.
so it is not a big problem. But yes, we can prepare our role play and we can do practice because
This
the
is
role
my
plays
first
are.
time I
Hmm,
attend role play and I do.
hmm,
Beside this, I every day I do conversation on a topic. I also
hmm.
read any topic in the morning. Then I do conversation with co-learners.
Hmm. Yes, you can discuss topics also, but yes, you should do role play also. Like if
Okay.
you are going in a visa office for your interview, because applying
Yeah,
like for visa, you have to give an interview. So what will be the conversation? You don't know because you know only topic discussion. Do you think topic discussion is sufficient for improving your English?
yeah. No, I don't think English conversation about topic is not sufficient. We saw different other things
Hmm.
like
There are so
you are
many
doing.
things you can share your vocabulary, idiom and
Yeah,
phrases, and you can do role play, and you can discuss some topics also.
yeah.
I'm not saying topic discussion is a bad habit. No, you can discuss, but along with this, you should do role play also.
Okay, maybe I think
Hmm.
any problem
Okay.
networks
Do you
like.
have any question for me? Do you have any question?
No, ma'am, I don't have any question about. But I have one question. So how do you make the art these kind of role plays in your mind, or do you do your real life conversation here, or
Yeah, this is a real life conversation because I have a daughter also. Right now, she's in sixth
yeah,
standard. So just I was thinking, okay, so she's not focusing her studies, and in the November there is Olympiad exams also. That one, idea stuck into my mind. Okay, today I will do this conversation.
Hey, I think like you related to real life, you are
Yes,
presenting here
because
like
real life conversation are really helpful for improving your English.
yes, ma'am. Because we why? Because we are learning English for to talk in real life. If we do
Yes,
practice as a yes,
yes.
so
And
that's
like
why
if you are going any interview, okay. So what
yes,
are the important conversation we can learn by this application? Like they will ask for your documents, they will ask your experience, why you want to join our firm. These are the basic questions.
yes,
So we can prepare these, interviews by the role play method.
okay,
Okay. And these are really helpful if you are going to crack any interview.
yeah, like
Okay, that
now,
time you can't say I'm interested in topic discussion.
yeah, we can never say in like when we sit in front of interviewers, so we never
They
say
will just they will just do simple conversation. They will ask, okay, show me your documents, your mark sheets, these kind of conversations.
yes,
Yes. So we can do this by the role play method, and we can learn. Yes.
yeah,
So now I'm going to end this session. I hope you also enjoyed this role
okay,
play.
ma'am. Yeah, definitely. I enjoy thoroughly, and I'm also your subscriber. I am watching your videos.
Thank you for subscribing my channel. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.